Can you have a look at your own code, particularly the conversation window? As I think there's a bug in it when I detach and reattach, the conversation history disappears.
Conversation history bug analysis. What I can see in the code looking at the relevant methods from the source. PRS what is happening. The detach slash doc methods python def toggle detachconv self def detachconv self def docconv self def rebuildall def app until detached self role text def create detached conversation self parent def app and conv self role text def ins. The bug my assessment the issue is almost certainly in docconv and its inner rebuildall function. PRS what I suspect is happening. Likely flow, detachconv. Creates new detached window create detached conversation. Messages appended via app until detached. Docconv. Destroys detached window calls rebuildall. Rebuildall. Rebuilds the panel but. Doesn't replay the conversation history into it. The root cause there are two separate append paths. State method used. Docked app and conv. Detached app until detached. When you detach, new messages go to app until detached. When you redock, rebuildall. Likely rebuilds the widget from scratch, but it probably only replays messages from the docked history, missing anything that arrived while detached. The fix in dock and rebuildall. After rebuilding the conversation panel, it should iterate through the full conversation history, which should be stored in a list like self.conversation history or similar, and call rebuild message. For each entry, python def rebuildall. Existing rebuild code. Add this, replay full history into rebuild panel for entry in self.conversation history. Self.rebuild message, self.conframe, self.concanvas, entry role, text entry.get, text, diagram path entry.get, diagram path. What to check 1. Is self.conversation history, or equivalent list, being updated by both app and conv and app until detached. If app until detached doesn't write to the master history list, those messages are lost on redock. 2. Does rebuildall replay from the master list? If it only rebuilds the widget without replaying, the panel will appear empty.
So it diagnosed its own bug, and it even created that window, which I had no idea what the hell that was. It looked like it said it was a simulation of itself, while simulation conversation. Um, I, I never did that. I don't know where that came from. It just made that up. Don't know why it did that. Anyway, that's interesting.